Hi, my name is Joey. I'm part of the Unruly Theater Project, and we're about to show you a game called Clap, Snap, Stomp. It's a game we like to play to get our energy up, get us focused and concentrated on whatever it is we have to do. And what happens in this game is we all stand in a circle, and we go around the circle saying clap, and then snap, and then stomp. And as it goes around, we'll add the actual action, and we'll be doing the action, clap, snapping, or stomping, and then we'll eventually take it out and put the words back in. And I know it sounds a little confusing, but you'll kind of get it as you watch, so let's go. All right, we're going to go this way. Clap,
Snap,
stomp, clap, snap,
Stomp, clap, snap, stomp, clap, snap, stomp,
snap,
stomp,
snap,
stomp, snap, stomp, snap, stomp,
stomp.
stomp, stomp, stomp.
We're going to bring the word stomp back in. Stomp,
Stomp, stomp, stomp,
snap,
stomp,
snap,
stomp, snap, stomp, snap, stomp,
clap,
snap,
stomp, clap.
snap.
stomp, clap, snap, stomp, clap, snap, stomp.
All right, that was pretty good. All right, and that's it for this game. You can check back for more games, warm-ups, whatever we have for you, and you can check us out on our website too, which will be right somewhere here.